Have you ever found yourself wondering if you're truly getting the best service for your property management needs? Have you considered the importance of choosing a company that not only meets your needs, but also surpasses your expectations? Enter Three Pentacles, PLLC, a shining beacon in the property management industry. Based in the heart of Cook County, Illinois, this company is a testament to what high-quality service in property management should look like. Three Pentacles, PLLC, stands out from the crowd with an impressive level of expertise, an array of outstanding qualifications, and a wealth of experience. With 36 years in the real estate industry under their belt, they have mastered the art of managing properties to the utmost satisfaction of their clients. This is not just a claim, it's a fact, validated by a 5-star rating across all social media platforms. Their services are as diverse as they are comprehensive, from managing homeowners association communities to overseeing residential properties such as single-family homes, condominiums, and multifamily apartment buildings. Their prowess is undeniable. But that's not all. They also serve as a court-appointed receiver in the Illinois state and federal courts, managing properties under the court's jurisdiction. When it comes to choosing a property management company, it's not just about the price. It's about the competency, qualifications, experience, and quality of work. It's about precision and efficiency because in this business, even the smallest error can cost a property owner thousands of dollars in losses. Why would one risk an investment worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars just to save a few hundred in management fees? It's not just imprudent, but can be downright catastrophic. Choosing Three Pentacles, PLLC is choosing peace of mind, professionalism, and proficiency. It's about entrusting your property to a company that values your investment as much as you do and will go the extra mile to ensure it is managed with the utmost care. So why wait? Don't gamble with your investment. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Contact Three Pentacles, PLLC today. Let their expertise, qualifications, and experience be the solution to your property management needs. This is not just a business transaction, it's a partnership, a commitment to excellence, and a guarantee of unparalleled service. Make the right choice. Choose Three Pentacles, PLLC. You and your property deserve nothing but the best.